I wanted to say, whilst I'm on the video, why I'm doing these videos. Everybody else is asking why I'm doing these videos.
I didn't want to ask.
Well, I want to show people, mostly people, maybe animals, I don't know. I want to show the rest of the world that people like me, there are no people like me.
They're bloody well not.
Blind people, people with disabilities or whatever, that, we're not write-offs. That we do stuff, we can do stuff, and that we are capable and productive people with, with skills, and we have a lot to offer. And and I think I'm good at what I do. Feel free to agree.
I was nodding. I forgot that you couldn't see me nodding.
So,
That's I clearly wasn't listening.
And also, I thought maybe that I could reassure people who are maybe experiencing, I would say, weight loss. Then.
You forget what you're doing. Wishful thinking. You're manifesting.
I know. Sight loss. That, although it feels like your life is over, at the time it's really not. And that after you get over that initial fear and grief, because it is grief that you feel. After you get over that, you can reach acceptance, and then you can move on, and kind of get some kind of life back, and you can be happy again, and more importantly, fun. You can have fun again. If of course you were fun to start with. If you were boring to start with, you're still gonna be boring now. There's bugger all I can do about that.
Yeah, there's only so much you can do.
It's not the end of everything, and I'm proof of that. I like to think.
Yeah.
And I like to inspire people to carry on and do stuff.
Yeah. Context being that you weren't always blind.
Well, exactly. I only lost my sight about 6 years ago, and I did really think it was the end of everything. I thought I'd never do anything again. My life was over, and now look at me making ridiculous videos that nobody's gonna say, and having a laugh.
Yeah.
And it's all good. So, and that's it. And we'll see how this turns out. We'll see if the video stays up. So the adults takes it down. And before we go, we have to say all that YouTubey stuff.
Oh God, yeah.
Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe. It's not enough to just. It's not enough to subscribe anymore. You have to hit a bell as well. So comment, subscribe. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, share a link, ring the bell, sacrifice your newborn, sell a kidney, give us your house.
One of yours.
Yeah.
So, edit all of the above, one of them, two of them,
Yeah.
Whatever, would be very helpful, because you probably can't tell, but I'm new to all of this.
Never would have guessed.
And it would really, really help. So, do it.
Yeah.
Now.
Or else. I mean, if you've already made it this far, then then what the hell? What have you got to lose?
If you're still watching, then there's something wrong with you.
Yeah.
So you might as well.
You may as well.
And that's it. Cut.